Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. As ever, you can find me over on Instagram at the House of Langford and at Overall Sews. I'm also on Ravelry as Mad X Stitcher, and I cancelled my subscription to Crochet Society just a little bit too late, so I have one more box to show you. This is box 49. I really hoped I would get to 50. But I can't really afford it. So I have cancelled now. This is my last box from Crochet Society, and I think if I like the contents of box 50 I might buy it separately, but for now I don't have a subscription anymore. So this one has like a carnival, like fun fair type theme going on for it. So there we go. So we've got the horses carousel, rose gold again. We do love a bit of rose gold. So it's very like summery themed. It does remind me of the fun fair box though that we had a couple of years ago, which I made the bag from. If you're wondering about the background, I am in a hotel room. I am currently living with my parents, so I don't actually have the space or the area to record, but I'm away this weekend, so I thought, you know what, let's bash them all out now. So, summer vibes only. Well, this one might actually be the wrong way around for me now because I'm on the side, so I could have it this way. So yeah, this is box 49. Bright pink tissue paper. Oh, okay. So this is similar to the Rosina Plain box. We had 2 cakes in the Rosina Plain that were different, and we have 2 in this one as well. So we have a nice rainbow one and then a cream or ecru one. So let's see if it's the same one. It is the same one. So it's fresh cotton cake. This one, they've got a colour on it. Seashell. Very apt for the seaside. And then sorbet stripes. So I have 2 cakes. Both are 100% cotton. They are sport weight and they are 150 grams. Wonder what I'm going to have to make with those. So let's have a look at what else is in the box and we'll continue. I apologise in advance. I am right by the lift, so if you hear the noise, it's because everyone's going down for breakfast. So we have a 3.75 sparkly crochet hook with this box. There's no stuffing or anything, which tells me it's like flat makes. Pair of foldable scissors, because we love these. Oh no, I've ripped the box. Pink ones. I think I have a pair of pink ones already. So they're going to go into my crochet bag because I've been using the blue ones for a while now. We have our stitch marker, which is popcorn. Very cool. And we have a bag. This is summer vibes only. I might actually take this one with me to carry on crafting next weekend because it screams summer to me. So yeah. And finally, our book. So let's have a look at what the patterns are. So it says, welcome to your bright and breezy Crochet Society box. It says, I bet like me, you're ready for some summer sunshine. Candy stripes and popcorn. Okay, so as always, we have our little, what I call a cheat sheet. It's our abbreviations on the back. So we have a summer hat. So we have a sea breeze shawl. We have Lazy Daisy beach accessories and a bonus pattern, which is party in the park top. We then have tea and chat with this month's featured designer. I'll have a look in a sec. Page about the yarn and then a page about our makes. So yeah, not really my vibe, but I really want to see how that yarn plays, so I'll definitely be making something with it. So Anywhere Sun Hat is this one. That's our first project. Everything in our box. Beach accessories. So there's one for glasses, AirPods, I think that's a tablet case, and a cup holder as well, or bottle holder. So it looks like they've sort of split up the rainbow cake to get the different colours. So the designer this month is Lauren Willis, who is Manatee Squares on Instagram. So I'm going to sit and have a read of that. I do like that zigzag ripple dress, that's cool. And then we have the Sea Breeze shawl. So it alternates the rainbow with the cream or the ecru to get a nice stripe pattern. Rainbow cotton. So other alternatives are Rico Rumi Spin Spin, in classic rainbow and then pastel rainbow. We also have King Cole Cotton Soft Rainbow and King Cole Cotton Soft Blush. Shipyard's Whirlet in Ice and Shipyard's Whirlet in Sherbet Rainbow. So those are some alternatives for the yarn that we've got. So the bonus pattern is Party in the Park top. Now I might actually just make that. That is quite cool. I haven't made a crochet top yet, but I have made a dress. And actually the rainbow yarn would be quite nice for that. This one is by Cassie Ward. Cassie Ward also did the Good Vibrations dress that I made. I'm familiar with her patterns. Okay, so on our Your Makes page, we've got quite a lot from the Christmas box, the Advent this year, or last year. And there's a couple of bags in there as well. And then, oh, see, then the next box looks cool as well. This isn't the next box. So, yeah. I may have to get that one as well. Anyway, that is the book. So we're going to have like everything together and then wrap this up. So here is everything in this month's box. Now, I say this month, but this box has actually been at my parents' for about 2 weeks now. Whilst I was moving out of my flat. So yeah, this is everything in box 49. Like I said, I'm not really into the projects that are in the book, but I do like the yarn. So I'm going to find something I can do with them instead. And actually, I might have a look at that top a little bit better as well and check out the pattern. So thank you for joining me. As always, I'm not associated, affiliated or sponsored in any way. I buy the subscription and like to show you what's inside. Or at least I did. I don't have a subscription anymore for various reasons. But yeah, this is this latest Crochet Society box, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye.